Hello, back here with yet another video. See Dad, this video is going to be an unwrapping video, an unboxing video of my lager for a gambling festival tonight. So this has got to be a gambling festival of lager unwrapping, unboxing, and this is a flavour here in the pot range. Here we go. It's a great video this. Let's see the tins unwrapping. This is your unwrapping video. Great gambling festivals coming up. There's Michael Van Gerwen tomorrow. That's if I don't drink him today. My gambling festival today is the 49s. Move this back so I don't spill, I don't drop off. And my mum and dad will be like, "What you doing, man?" I'll be like, "Can you means?" I think it was like, spent 11 quid on this. So I saved £4 in buying the beers. It's good. There we go. That's the unboxing of the beers. So 10 by 10. That's for here, and that's the 49s, £5 in 2 numbers. There's a big gambling festival I'm on. I might even get some more Carlin or maybe Strongbow next time. It's decent beers. It's Mayor coming. I'll finish this video when the time comes. I just think it's an enjoyable video. Unwrapping beer. Smear beers. Obviously there's no dog racing or horse racing tonight. That's why I've got